Welcome back, everyone. There was actually an Instagram story that went ahead and was able to basically, crash your Instagram account, or for the most part. Now, it didn't have any access to your Instagram profile or anything, but it would still essentially be able to crash your specific app. Now, the story has since been deleted, so you cannot open that story anymore. But essentially, this little article right here basically showed us exactly what happened. So it basically told us, Instagram story crashes your iPhone and Android phone. Here's what and why, what you can do about it, whatever. Now, essentially, this just goes into detail about this specific little thing. The username was PG Tale, so you guys can go look it up if you want to. There's the username right there. And as far as I can tell with this specific thing, there is a limit to how big an Instagram story link or sticker can be. And essentially, this user was actually able to circumvent that, which I think is pretty insane. This is kind of what that story looked like. So it was like technically like a story like this. It's very weird, I know. This user was actually able to go ahead and essentially crash people's Instagram accounts like that. So like I mentioned, the user or the specific, story has since been deleted, but isn't that crazy? That really makes you think that potentially in the future, if people are able to do this over and over again, if they're able to crash our Instagram accounts, I mean, what else could be happening in the future? This is kind of scary in my opinion. And the fact that Instagram is being very weird right now, when like with iOS 14.5, it makes me think that hopefully this doesn't happen, but it makes me think that these stories could potentially, be leading us down a road that, I really don't want to get into in this story. And so that's essentially it. It's pretty crazy stuff, but I guess we'll see what happens in the future. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.